Hey traders and aspiring market wizards, welcome back to Omnius Futures. Today we're sharing some golden nuggets of wisdom that could save you tons of time and stress in your futures trading journey. We're talking about the things I wish I knew when first started out. These are the lessons I learned the hard way, so you don't have to. Buckle up, because this is going to save you some serious time, money, and maybe even a few sleepless nights. First up, leverage. Now, you hear a lot about leverage, and how it can make you rich. And it can, if you know what you're doing. But listen, leverage is a double-edged sword. It can amplify your gains, making you feel like a trading genius 1 minute. But it can also magnify your losses faster than you can say margin call. And trust me, you don't want to be on the wrong side of a margin call. We're talking about wiping out your entire account in a blink. That's why it's crucial to understand how leverage works you even think about touching it. Think of it like this. Leverage is like using a power tool. In the right hands, it can build amazing things. In the wrong hands, it can cause serious damage. You wouldn't use a chainsaw without proper training, right? Same goes for leverage. Take the time to learn about it, practice with small amounts, and slowly increase your leverage as you gain experience and confidence. Next, we gotta talk about risk management. This is non-negotiable, people. Look, I don't care how good your trading strategy is, how many indicators you've mastered, or how much you think you know about the market. If you don't manage your risk, you're playing with fire. Think of risk management as your trading bodyguard, always there to protect you from blowing up your account. And the best way to manage risk? Stop-loss orders. These are like your emergency brakes. They automatically close your trade when the market moves against you, limiting your potential losses. Now I know some of you are thinking, but Graham, stop-losses limit my gains. And yeah, sometimes they do, but you know what else they do? They keep you in the game. They prevent you from losing everything on one bad trade. Remember, in trading, it's not about making every single trade a winner, it's about staying in the game long enough to let your winners outweigh your losers. And that's what risk management is all about. It's about protecting your capital so you can live to trade another day. So before you even think about clicking the buy or sell button, set your stop loss. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about analysis. You've got technical analysis, which is all about charts, patterns, and indicators. And then you've got fundamental analysis, which dives into the nitty-gritty of economic reports, company earnings, and all that good stuff. Some people will tell you one is better than the other. But honestly, it's like choosing between a hammer and a screwdriver. They both have their uses. Technical analysis is great for timing your entries and exits. It's like looking at the market's roadmap, identifying potential areas where the price might turn. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, is like understanding the behind the market's movements. It's about looking at the bigger picture and understanding the forces that drive the market. The real magic happens when you combine the two. Use technical analysis to identify potential trading opportunities and fundamental analysis to confirm whether those opportunities actually make sense. It's like having a GPS and a local guide. The GPS gets you to the general area, but the local guide tells you the best places to eat, the hidden gems you wouldn't want to miss. Chapter 4. Psychological Discipline, the mental game of trading. Now let's talk about the most important part of trading, the mental game. See, trading is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. You can have the best trading strategy in the world, but if you don't have the right mindset, you're going to lose. Trust me, I've been there. I used to let my emotions get the best of me. I'd get greedy when I was winning and make reckless trades, and when I was losing, forget about it. I'd chase my losses trying to make it all back at once. It was a recipe for disaster. But here's the thing I learned, successful trading is about being disciplined. It's about sticking to your plan, even when your emotions are telling you to do otherwise. It's about controlling your fear and greed, and not letting them cloud your judgment. One of the best ways to develop psychological discipline is to have a trading plan and stick to it. Your trading plan should outline your entry and exit rules, your risk management strategy, and your profit targets. Write it down, refer to it often, and don't deviate from it just because you're feeling emotional. Chapter 5. Never stop learning. The markets are always changing. Here's the deal. The markets are constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to be a lifelong learner. The moment you think you know it all is the moment you start losing money. So how do you stay ahead of the curve? Well, for starters, read everything you can get your hands on. Books, articles, blogs, you name it. There's a wealth of information out there, both free and paid. Take advantage of it. Next, attend webinars and seminars. These are great ways to learn from experienced traders and get your questions answered. And speaking of experienced traders, don't be afraid to reach out and connect with them. Join online forums, Facebook groups, or even attend local meetups. You'd be surprised how many successful traders are willing to share their knowledge and help others. Chapter 6. Community Support. You're not alone in this. Which brings me to my final point. Community. Trading can be a lonely game, especially if you're doing it from home. That's why it's so important to surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals, and that's exactly what we're building here at Omnius Futures. We're more than just a YouTube channel, we're a community of traders who are passionate about helping each other succeed. We are a server where you can connect with other traders, share your trades, ask questions, and get support. We also host regular live streams where we discuss market analysis, trading strategies, and answer your questions in real time. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Omnius Futures community today. We're in this together. So there you have it. Key insights that can save you time and headaches in your futures trading journey. Remember to leverage wisely, manage risk, balance analysis, maintain psychological discipline, and keep learning. Subscribe to Omnius Futures for more tips, join our live streams, and let's conquer the markets together. Your future in trading starts now. Subscribe now.